So today I'm going to be ripping apart a battery on what's inside, and batteries are fun. They're horribly dangerous for you. There's a lead acid, sealed as they like to say, but really not very. There's a piece of plastic that goes here, and then there's all these little plastic or rubbery caps that go over it and cover the actual acid. Now this guy is pretty much dead. So if I try to spill it, it's empty. Now, the basic idea is you have two lead plates in sulfuric acid, and you get a lead acid battery, and that's the basic concept. And the sulfuric acid is mixed with water, and it basically changes it between lead sulfide, I think, and lead on one side with water in the middle to sulfuric acid and lead with both sides. I'm not perfect on the chemistry, but that's what should be happening. Now, since there's nothing here, it probably means all the water's evaporated up, and if it did it when it was charged, then there would be just water in here, so it's completely dead. I've tried everything. I've done some stupid stuff. You can see how this is kind of bulging on this guy here. Yeah, you can see this bulging up. That shouldn't be bulging. I'm gonna rip it apart. Yeah, I noticed everything in here is toxic for me, so let's have some fun and see what's inside. So here's the inside of the battery. So you can see it's basically the same as your standard Wikipedia textbook example of what the battery is. So these big bars on the top, there should be two per side. This guy still has actually two. The rest of them have been destroyed in the process of taking it apart, which is quite destructive. But these two bars are what connects it. One is hot, one is ground. Both are probably made of steel, maybe copper. And they just connect power. They aren't doing anything. Maybe aluminum, actually. And these little plates here, these are the actual lead plates, the ones that you're seeing down in here. They're kind of brown colored now. You can see them here. They're actually quite mushy. If you poke them with a screwdriver, they will very quickly condense downwards. And then inside that is this kind of white stuff. And it looks like it's basically just foam. It's nothing special. It's foam. It keeps the stuff in place. It keeps the liquid from sloshing around. It keeps the liquid where the liquid needs to be, and it's falling apart. And yeah, as you can see right here, this that I'm touching right now, that's the actual lead plate. And this one probably is actually lead sulfide. And it's lead, so it's pretty wimpy stuff. Bends very easily because, you know, lead's not known for being a strong metal, so it is very bad for you. Remind me to wash my hands afterwards. All these here, so that's the same thing. If we look at the top, we can see it's plastic here with a ton of glue. That makes it so hard to take apart, basically. Because the whole thing's glued because you're never supposed to take it apart. And then we see there's some sort of coating here, probably to keep it from eating away at the plastic, because this is sulfuric acid and it likes to eat through pretty much anything. And this stuff here is not like a standard foam. It looks like some more, I don't know the exact type. This might actually be paper. I don't know exactly what it is, because you have to get something that it won't just be eaten through quickly. So there's really not that much else to it. I could try pulling out all the stuff in one of these to see if there's anything else that they coated these with. But really, and here's a piece of plastic from the side of the battery. Since I don't see any of the same coating that's on the top of it, either they only coated the top due to probably evaporation, or it's just due to outgassing of the acid or something. Yeah, basically, this is really bad for you. Thanks for watching. It's standard, pretty much exactly what you'd expect. Now, this one's not a great example because it's really bad condition. Not doing that well. And you should really wash your hands after doing anything like this because both of this stuff is very bad for you.